Let's be honest, if you are an Amazon seller and you already know this truth, your success, it lives in your customer reviews. Understanding what buyers love, hate, and wish for is how you improve your product, stay ahead of competitors, and drive more sales. But reading through hundreds or even thousands of reviews, it's exhausting. It wastes time and most sellers just give up. That's where AMZScout's AI Review Analyzer comes in. This powerful tool reads, understands, and summarizes reviews for any product using advanced AI. In just seconds, it turns walls of text into crystal clear insights you can actually use. So what exactly does it do? The AI Review Analyzer digs into every customer review, yours or your competitors, and shows you what people consistently phrase, what annoys them or causes complaints, and what they wish your product did, aka opportunities for upgrades or new ideas. You will also get keywords and phrases customers use. Super helpful for PPC campaigns and listing optimization. This is not about star ratings, it's about real raw customers intelligence. Let me show you how simple it is. So first, log into your AMZScout dashboard, click on keyword and listings, then select AI Review Analyzer and grab the ASIN of product you want to analyze. Step number 4 is paste into the tool, hit analyze, and boom, the AI takes over, and in seconds you will get a full breakdown: positive versus negative feedback, most mentioned product aspects, customer pain points and desired features, top use phrases and buyer language, even SWOT style overviews. So why this tool is a game changer for sellers? So here's why serious Amazon sellers are loving this tool. Product development, fix what's broken and what is missing, give your customer exactly what they want. And listing optimization, use real customer language in your titles, bullets, and description to improve conversions and SEO. Competitor analysis, find their weak spots, then swoop in with a better version. So marketing strategy, tailor your messaging to what actually resonates with your audience. So massive time savings, no more endless scrolling through review pages. The AI does it all for you in seconds. We have partnered with AMZScout because we believe in tools actually move to the needle for sellers, and this one does. So if you are serious about leveling up your Amazon game, smarter decisions, faster growth, and real competitive insight, then don't wait. Click the link below and try AMZScout AI Review Analyzer. And we have helped hundreds of sellers transform their strategy, and now it's your turn. And now you are just one click away from selling smarter.